Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a super useful skill, how to create a data table or datatable right inside Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your own organized, customizable table in just a few minutes, saving tons of time in your design workflow. So whether you're working on dashboard designs, reports, or anything that needs structured information, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma. If you're new to Figma, you can either use the browser version or the desktop app. Whichever you prefer, the steps are exactly the same. Once you're in, make sure you have your project open or just a fresh canvas if you're experimenting. Now take a look at the menu bar near the top left. What we're looking for are your actions. You might see some different options here depending on your workspace or any plugins you've already installed, but don't worry, as long as you can find the actions menu, you're right on track. Think of actions like your toolbox for all the extra things you can tell Figma to do beyond the basics. The next step is to tap into Figma's powerful plugin ecosystem. Head over to the section labeled Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma really shines, because there are tons of user-created tools here that can help you do almost anything faster. It's like visiting a digital tool shed packed with helpful gadgets. In the search box, type in Table Creator. This will bring up any plugins designed for creating tables. There are a few out there, but the most popular one, literally called Table Creator, is straightforward and gets the job done. If you haven't used it before, just click to install or run it directly. Figma will walk you through if any permissions are needed. This part might take a moment as the plugin loads for the first time, so don't worry if it's not instant. Alright, once Table Creator launches, you should see options popping up for creating a new table. Go ahead and select the option for New Template. Starting from a template is helpful because it gives you a clean slate and lets you control exactly how your table looks. Think of it like setting the foundation for a building you're about to construct. You're not just plopping down a preset, you're tailoring a table to fit your unique project. Next, the plugin will prompt you to specify the number of rows and columns you want. This is where you structure your data. Maybe you need 5 columns for different categories or 10 rows for sample entries. Don't stress about making it perfect right now, you can always adjust later. Just enter the numbers that match your vision for the table. Following that, you'll set the width and height. Let's go with 1000 for each, as recommended. This refers to pixels, which gives you a pretty generous canvas to work with. If you've ever struggled with cramped, hard-to-read tables, you'll appreciate how much easier it is to manage everything at this size. Now, all you have to do is hit Create Table and voila. In just a few clicks, you've built a structured, tidy data table inside your Figma project. From here, you can customize colors, fonts, and add your actual data, whatever you need to fit your design. And that's really it. Congrats on making your first datatable in Figma. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical design tutorials just like this. If you hit any bumps along the way or have a question about a specific step, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.